Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss multiples. Here we are trying to make school math more interesting and beautiful. So let's start. The word multiple means many. So let's see how we can interpret it in maths. So here I am having with me a group of 3 dots. So we can write it in maths as one group of 3. If I take 2 groups of 3 dots, I have with me in all 6 dots, and I write it as 2 groups of 3. These are 3 groups of 3 and there are 9 dots. So we write it as 3 groups of 3 or 9 dots. Here we are taking many groups of 3 and we are getting more numbers 3, 6, 9. They are all multiples of 3 because we are taking many groups of 3. Now if I take 4 groups of 3, so I am going to get 12 dots, and we have taken 4 groups of 3, so it is a multiple of 3. So on and on, the multiples go on and on. As many groups I will take, I will get more multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 are shown above and they are never ending. I can go on taking groups of 3 as many as possible. So let's see what is 12 times 3. It is 12 groups of 3. So I will be taking many groups. How many groups? 12 groups of 3. These are 8 groups of 3 and 12 groups of 3. So 12 times 3 is 36 dots, like see 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on till 36. So 12 times 3 is 36. So 36 is a multiple of 3 because we have taken 12 groups of 3 to get 36. So it is a multiple of 3. So let's take another example, 4 groups of 5. So what do we get when we take 4 groups of 5? This is one group, 2 groups, 3 groups and 4 groups. So we have 20 dots, which is 20 is a multiple of 5. That means because here we have taken 4 groups of 5. So we have taken many groups of 5. How many groups? 4 groups of 5. So let's take more examples. 3 times 6. This means 3 groups of 6. So let's draw it. Now this time I am drawing it row wise. So this is 1. Now we have 2 rows of 6. We have 3 rows of 6. 1 row of 6, second row of 6, third row of 6. So 6, 12 and 18. So we get 18 dots, and 18 is a multiple of 6 because we have taken some groups of 6. How many groups of 6? 3 groups of 6. So 18 is a multiple of 6. Let's take one more example, 6 times 3. Now this is the reverse of 3 times 6. So 1 group of 3, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, and these are 5 groups, and we have 3, 6, 9, 8, 12, 15 and one more group. We have 18. So that means 18 dots are 18 is also a multiple of 3 because we get 18 by taking many groups of 3. Another example, 4 times 2. Now 1 group of 2, 2, 3, 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 dots. 8 is a multiple of 2. Because we get 8 by taking many groups of 2. Now we have 2 times 4. That means 2 groups of 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 is also a multiple of 4 because we get 8 by taking some groups of 4. So I hope it is clear. So keep watching, liking and subscribing.